What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to show you how, and guys, I'll be showing you the PS4 overheating fix. So what you basically need to do is clear out some of the stuff on your PS4 because the stuff in the background is slowing down your PS4. So what you want to do is go to your settings like I'm on right now and go down until you see storage and wait till it calculates. Alright, so click on X and you see all this right here. You want to delete the applications, capture gallery, or anything else that you're not using. So delete everything that you're not using on there. Alright, so once you do that, what I want you to do is go down to System. Click on that. And now what I want you to do is click on Automatic Downloads. And I want you to turn, you see these might be on for you. I want you to turn all of these off. So basically when you play a game, you know how your PS4 overheats? You won't have anything running in the background because sometimes when you're playing a game, you may not see the notification, but you have applications running in the background, which is downloading, and you don't want that. So let's say, for instance, you went to play a game, right? Let's say, for instance, I went to play Fortnite or something. When I click on the game, it's going to automatically tell me to update it. But if I'm off the game and I have those check marks on, it's going to update it. But you don't want that because it's going to overheat your PS4. All right, so the next thing you want to do is make sure you're in your settings again, and you want to go to accessibility. And I want you to check all of these off. You do not need any of these. You don't need zoom. You don't need large text or nothing. Check all of those off because those are tremendously going to slow your PlayStation down. So make sure you have all of those off. But last but not least, what you want to do is you want to go to notifications, right? And you know how you you get a notification on your phone, right? And sometimes it lags you while you you playing a game on your phone. It lags. It's the same way on your PlayStation. When you get a notification, your PlayStation may lag and it may up the heat on the PlayStation. So what you want to do is you want to disable all your notifications on there. You do not want these notifications on because they're going to slow your PS4 down and they're going to overheat it. And you can turn these off too right here on display pop-up. Disable all of these. You do not need these. If you want to manually do it, all you have to do is go to this right here and you can look at all your notifications and everything. But that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope this video helped you out, and I hope your PS4 stopped overheating and lagging or any other things that it's doing. But go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on that post notification bell to get notified for every upload on my channel. And we'll be back to show you how.